Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add your bank account as a payment method in Fiverr. Alright, so right over here in Fiverr, you need to make sure that you have a seller's account. If you don't have a seller's account, if you click on your profile picture on the top right hand side, you can click on become a seller. It'll take you through the whole process of creating your account, your profile, your gig, which is the jobs that you are selling or the packages that you're selling. And then if you're getting to this view where you click on your profile picture and it says switch to buying, then you're in the right place because now you're a seller. What you want to do is go up to the My Business tab at the top, look for earnings, which is right at the bottom. And right over there, you will find a few options. Just over here, you'll see add payout method. Click on that, look for bank transfer selected, select your currency, and then click on continue. You'll now be prompted to add your phone number right over here. So just click on fill it here. You'll now look for phone verification. And then you are going to click on verify now. You're going to add your phone number and verify your phone number to make sure that your account is secure. And once you have done so, you'll be able to enter your banking details so that you can withdraw from your Fiverr account.